In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export as MP3 in Audacity. If you've finished editing your audio and you're ready to share it or upload it somewhere, exporting to MP3 is a great choice. MP3 is widely compatible, easy to send, and keeps file sizes manageable while maintaining good listening quality. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can get a clean MP3 file out of your Audacity project without any confusion. First, make sure your track is open in Audacity. Have the project you want to export on your screen, and give it a quick listen if you like, just to confirm you're exporting the right version. When everything looks and sounds the way you want, you're ready to move on. Next, go to the top left of the window and click on File, then choose Export Audio. This is the command that tells Audacity you're creating a new audio file from your project. You don't need to worry about any advanced export options here unless you already have something specific in mind. The default pathway works well for most cases. When the export window appears, select On Your Computer. This simply means you're saving the finished file locally rather than sending it to a service or a cloud destination. Choosing this keeps you in control of where the file goes and makes it easy to find and share afterward. Now set the format to MP3. You'll see a file type or format menu in the export window. Choose MP3 from that list. MP3 is a compressed format which helps reduce the size of your file while keeping the audio clear for podcasts, voiceovers, and most music use cases. If you're unsure about any advanced MP3 settings, the defaults are perfectly fine for general listening and uploading. Finally, click Export. Audacity will process the audio and create your MP3 file. Depending on the length of your project and your computer's speed, this might take a moment. When it's done, your MP3 will be saved to the location you chose in the export window, ready to play, send, or upload wherever you need it. A quick tip: if you're using a modern version of Audacity, MP3 export is built in, so you shouldn't need any extra components. And once you've exported, it's a good habit to keep your original project file as a backup, just in case you want to make changes and export a new version later. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your audio as an MP3 in Audacity.